Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Compaq Series monitor, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the contrast of this display. So firstly, open main menu, then scroll down using minus button and navigate to image control, then click OK. Here you will see sharpness. Click OK again, and here you can change this item from 1 to 5. For example, I can make the image soft and I can make the image sharp. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.